Hey y'all, hey, so today I am doing some pieces in the top of my client April hair. Y'all done seen her on my page a whole bunch of times. Usually I give her all the little funky colors and a pixie, but she's going to a party. So she wanted some pieces in and she was like, girl, can I get some weave? I was like, say less, I got you. And I literally just color her hair because her hair was like yellow and some other colors, and I put a color conditioner on her hair, Magenta by Ion. It's at Sally Beauty. It's a color conditioner that I had. It's supposed to be pink, but it actually turns out like a red color, and I already had the weave and it matched like exactly. Like, I was like, that's crazy. So that was easy for me. I didn't have to color no hair. The hair came already colored and I already had it. Yes, win-win. So yeah, just putting this hair in, taking my time. I put a little bit of 613, just one strip in the front to give her like some little razzle dazzle or whatever, so it's not, you know, plain. Yeah, so y'all just keep watching for the rest of the video. So I'm just taking my Tinkle razor and cutting her hair around. I'm gonna do it pretty short. I believe this hair is like a 10-inch, might even be an 8-inch. I don't know. But we doing a short side anyway, so it didn't matter. And just taking my time, doing some layers with the razor as well, and literally just like combing the layers in. Like, this is like the laziest cut ever, okay? and then pulling that hair back so, you know, we get some of that weight off the front a little bit. And by the way, I'm using the larger side of the razor comb. I usually use the small side to just like cut around like that 0-degree cut, and then I go back in with the longer side. So just taking a little bit of Nairobi's sheer shine and spraying the hair, not a lot. I don't want it greasy. And then y'all know I love my dry oil, so we're gonna put some of that Kenra's dry oil on there. And now we're gonna start flat ironing the hair. I do apologize, didn't realize my camera was not centered, but it's all good. I'm just using EAP's 1-inch flat iron, and it's the ceramic one. So taking my favorite high beam black spray and just spraying it on her wefts. Her hair is a little thin, so we don't want that track showing or whatever. And just combing it over, make sure everything is nice and neat and looking good. And yeah, I like the way this turns out. This is like a really low maintenance style. You just put your little wrap cap on at night and it's really not much for you to do. So I'm taking some Kevin Murphy's paste. I've been using this instead of edge control and it has changed my life. Like, I love it. I left it open one day and it kind of dried out a little bit, so I gotta get me another one, but I'm gonna use this one until the time being. And all that did is just, I really wasn't like trying to do no baby hair or nothing, but just getting that hair blended in around the edges. Well, around that hairline, not edges really. So I'm just gonna flat iron this in with the weave one more time just to make sure everything is blended.
For me, isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.
So yeah, this is a finished look. If you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment below. subscribe, and I'll see you guys again for the next video.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing.